Welcome back. Today we're diving into the sacrifices you need to make to get rich quickly. Ready to face the hard truths and discover the 10 things you might need to sacrifice on your journey to riches? Stick around. First up, let's talk about sleep. You might have to kiss that 8-hour sleep schedule goodbye, at least for a while. Those extra few hours in the morning or evening can be crucial for building a business, side hustling, or investing. Sacrificing a little sleep now could mean reaping the rewards of financial freedom later. Next up, let's talk about your social life. You might have to be selective about how you spend your time. Instead of saying yes to every invitation, ask yourself, will this activity bring me closer to my financial goals? By being mindful of your social calendar and prioritizing your financial future, you'll save time and money. Comfort is another thing you might have to sacrifice on your journey to wealth. Real growth happens when you're willing to embrace discomfort. This could mean taking on a challenging side hustle, learning a new skill, or negotiating a raise. Embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. Now let's talk about leisure time. Spending hours binge-watching shows or scrolling through social media can eat away at your precious time. Instead of zoning out after work, consider dedicating an hour or two to your side hustle or learning a new skill, time that could be spent building your wealth. Stability is something we all crave, but clinging too tightly to it can stifle your financial growth. Sometimes, to achieve extraordinary results, you have to be willing to take calculated risks. This could mean starting a business, investing in the stock market, or even quitting your job to pursue your passion. Remember, the greater the risk, the greater the potential reward. Let's talk about instant gratification. When it comes to building wealth, delaying gratification is key. It's about making choices that align with your long-term goals, even if it means sacrificing some short-term pleasure. Building wealth requires patience, discipline, and the ability to delay gratification in pursuit of something bigger. Security is something we all crave, but sometimes to achieve true financial freedom, you have to be willing to take a leap of faith. This could mean quitting your job to pursue your dream business, or investing in a risky but potentially lucrative venture. Remember, staying in your comfort zone might feel safe, but it rarely leads to significant financial growth. Take calculated risks and embrace the unknown. Free time is a precious commodity, especially in today's fast-paced world. When you're on a mission to build wealth quickly, free time might feel like a luxury you can't afford. It's about being intentional with your time and prioritizing activities that contribute to your financial goals. Even if you can only spare 30 minutes a day, those small chunks of time can add up over time. Relationships are the foundation of our lives, but building wealth often requires significant time and energy. You might have to miss social events or work late nights, which can strain relationships. It's about open communication, setting boundaries, and making sure your loved ones understand your goals. Building wealth shouldn't come at the expense of your relationships. Finally, let's talk about health. The hustle can take a toll on your well-being if you're not careful. It's about prioritizing your well-being by getting enough sleep, eating nutritious food, exercising regularly, and managing stress effectively. Remember, your health is your greatest asset. There you have it, folks. The 10 things you might have to sacrifice on your journey to building wealth quickly. It's about making conscious choices, prioritizing your goals, and understanding that sometimes you have to give up something to gain something greater. Building wealth requires effort, discipline, and a willingness to make sacrifices. So, what are you willing to sacrifice to achieve your financial dreams? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos on building wealth and living your best life. See you in the next one.